Okay, so...
Hi, welcome to the Tropics Mobile Home Park in conjunction with the HOA is having a senior health and resource fair. We have lunch provided and lots of resources and value information for seniors to take. Come on in.
Good, okay. So now, next you.
Hello, I'm Naomi. I live at the Tropics Mobile Home Park. We'd like to welcome everyone. We're having a wonderful senior information fair. We're hopefully helping our residents here to reach out to the various community services and offering them help, whatever their needs might be. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next year.
Good.你比较创啥？你比较创啥？
哇，我放解了emergency earthquake。earthquake 的 training。
你来这帮忙的就对啦。
来这帮忙啊。
好啦，好。
来个带较侪人来参加。
是啊。双个你伫遮创啥？你今仔来这创啥？来这帮忙啊，吼。好啦，好。Good morning. So tell us what you're doing here today.
I'm here for you to answer any questions that you have.
So to pass the information to the general public, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. So why don't you give us a brief introduction for today's activity?
What's a violation? Is this going on like a...
YouTube. I'm going to load this to YouTube.
I would ask that you don't. Are you with Jonathan Cack?
Yeah, with the caps. With the caps.
Okay, you know who has a speech prepared is this guy. He's the talker. Even through here,
we can hear him from the freeway.
Oh, that's a good one.
There's a few on out there. It's a good one. Nationally, in Cleveland, they confiscate the equipment and destroy it. I mean, that's probably the only reason somebody would want to live in Cleveland. I guess in Savannah...
That would never happen in California.
No. But the reason they've been handled basically at the bar end. Yeah. It's the meeting, they're gone to the windows, knock pictures off the walls.
They don't realize when they hit 30 they're going to go down.
Well, I hope it happens. They're trying to get a straight roof. Because if you don't find that, I'm not going to see this.
Hello. Would you tell us what you're doing here today?
We're here to promote recycling.
Recycling.
Yeah,
From where? From
Tri-State Recycling.
Tri-State, right?
Which is taught here every Monday night. Join us and learn some so much the better. So let's hit it.
Will you tell us what you're doing here today?
Oh, I am representing the Neptune Society.
What society?
The Neptune Society.
So, what's the Neptune Society doing?
We specialize in cremation.
Information.
Cremation.
Oh. I got it. Okay.
Right.
So give us your phone number.
Okay, my number here at the office is 510. Let me make sure here. Okay, 889-7110.
Thank you. And your name, sir?
Jim Fennelly.
Jim.
I'm the pre-need counselor.
Thank you.你做啊？你今仔创啥？你今仔是创啥？
我今日来遮迄落，
啊，甲恁介绍你今仔做啥？
今仔日我就去甲大家拢甲问讲伊咧创啥，甲讲咱嘛是咧服务老人啊，然后我们就从那个我们是福利棒的 ambassador 啊，然后是台湾的什么团体协会来的啊，就这样。
有啊，感觉咱爱甲社区
对啊，
互动吼，真好，真好。
互动分享这样。
一寡资源，一寡资料咱介绍啦，
很开心啊，就学到很多东西啊，看到人家做什么，我们跟他学这些。
多谢你来服务，多谢多谢，
感恩感恩，谢谢。
Tell me what you're doing here.
How are you doing?
Good. What's your name?
My name's Annie.
Annie, what you're doing here?
I'm from the Alzheimer's Services.
Alzheimer's. Oh, okay. So, how can you help the community?
We are a day program for people who have Alzheimer's or dementia.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So if you come to our program during the day and still live at home, still be independent, you'll be at our program during the day.
Sure.
So.
And where's your office located?
We have one in Hayward,
in Hayward?
Oakland, one in Berkeley. So Hayward is the closest one, and that's where I'm from.
So what is the contact number, phone number?
Right here, 510-888-1411.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.